To-do list in Excel. Whether you have to plan an event or manage a project, a to-do list will help you prioritize and track your progress properly. By listing all the necessary steps in one place, you can break down your goal into small parts and organize your time accordingly. This tool will help us to plan and manage our day-to-day life. This basic Excel task list template can be customized to be a daily task list, a weekly task list, or a monthly task list depending on your desired time period. The to-do list in Excel contains the following variables. Daily to-do list. In this section you will be able to register tasks or activities to be completed on the specified day. Weekly to-do list. Assign weekly tasks with this task scheduling template. List the tasks that need to be done, name them and update the status of each activity. Monthly to-do list. Improve the communication and workflow of your tasks or activities. Here you can record each task or activity on a monthly basis, set start and end dates, determine the days remaining to complete your activities, and update the status of each task. Dashboards. All sections have intuitive graphs that allow you to check the status of tasks with visual progress charts. Template available from Solus Enterprises. Visit our site at n.solusenterprisesstore.com.